Hey guys, just came from the grocery store. I have a local store that just deals with meat, fruit, and vegetables, and every morning they put out packs of mushrooms for 99 cents. These are the white mushrooms already sliced. These are the cremini, I think that's how you say it, mushrooms. So I went and got a bunch of it. I'm going to dehydrate it right away. I have my inserts in. If you don't have inserts, I do have a video on how to make those. Really quick, really easy. Mushrooms are super easy to dehydrate. I don't do anything with them. I spread them all over my tray. I do try to leave a little bit of room in between. A little bit, as much as I can. I don't like to pile too high with mushrooms. So when I'm done doing this, I'll come back. Okay, they're all filled. These are the white ones, and these are the cremini. So I have 3 trays of those. I'm going to put these on 130. These have been on the dehydrator for about 9-10 hours. The white ones came out beautiful, nice and big. They're absolutely gorgeous. The cremini mushrooms turned out gorgeous. They're just so delicate, and the flavor is so bold. These are shiitake mushrooms that I got from Costco. They're quite different than the white mushrooms that I've done, but they have a beautiful, beautiful taste to them. So you can leave them as they are. You can crumble them into smaller pieces, or you can put them in your coffee grinder and make mushroom powder out of it, and that's fantastic to have in your soups and your stews. Sometimes I'll take a little bit of this and a little bit of that and whatever I have, put it in a mason jar, shake it up, and then I have a whole mixture of mushrooms, and it's nice to grab a handful of that and put it in my soups and my stews and crock pot. That's how simple it is to do mushrooms. Till next time, hey dough.